Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you how to install the Green Apple keyboard app on your Samsung Galaxy S24. First, you need to open Google Play and then type Green Apple keyboard, and it has to be made by Arvin Apps. When you install the app, you need to open it, then enable Green Apple keyboard in settings. Then you need to switch input methods so it works, and you're all done. As you guys can see, Apple keyboard is working. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.